Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Chrysler 200 or Fiat 500, guys, as you know, both of the vehicles share the same engine, guys. And this one should be very helpful video to you guys. We'll be explaining the symptoms of a bad PCV valve, what the PCV valve does, how important that little device is for your engine, and how just for a few dollars, if you don't replace it, guys, you may end up needing a new engine. So make sure you stay until the end, guys. If you need to buy the part itself, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So as you know, Chrysler and Fiat, it's one company now, so that same engine will be used on Chrysler 200 and Fiat 500. Whether you have the 2.4 or different 1.4 engine, the procedure is practically the same, guys. Now, let me explain quick, okay, we guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let us show you guys where the PCV valve is located. We'll explain what it does, and then we'll get to the symptoms. And there is two ways, guys, it can fail: stuck open or stuck closed. So two different ways. What you need to do now, guys? Okay, if you have the 2.4 Multiair engine, you have to remove your cover, valve cover. If you have different engine, guys, the procedure will not be much different. Okay, but usually on top of the engine, this is known as the valve cover. That's where your ignition coils are located, spark plugs as well, guys. On the side of the cover somewhere you have hoses. Okay, this is one hose, this is just the vacuum hose here, but another hose is back there. Okay, and this hose, that's where the PCV valve is. Okay, that black thing, that little thing, that's PCV valve. Let's explain, guys, what it does now. When your engine runs, guys, okay, you know, it sprays fuel and air inside the cylinder, guys. That fuel and air will explode, it will create power, guys. It will move the piston down, turn it into power. But when, guys, that explosion happens, some gas, blow-by gas, will make its way in the crankcase, inside the engine. And the engine pressure will start increasing eventually, guys. It will increase to the point that you start leaking oil from the valve covers. You start leaking oil, guys, from O-rings, crankshaft seals, quite a few things. Now, another thing, guys, that blow-by gas, it's super dangerous for your engine. It will corrode the inside of your engine, it will eat the metal, it will shorten the life of your engine. So in 1961, guys, somebody developed the PCV valve. I don't know the name of it, but that person was super smart, guys. PCV valve is a super little, not very complicated device that takes that blow-by gas, guys, from here, takes it with the hose to the intake manifold. Okay, this is the PCV valve hose. Goes to the intake manifold, usually past the throttle body. So it doesn't make the throttle body dirty, because you have some, okay, I said it's bad gas. And that gas will run through the intake, go in the cylinders, run one more time, exit through the exhaust. So that's what it does now, guys. Let's go ahead and remove it, guys, and I'll explain how it can fail, okay, stuck open or stuck closed. What are the symptoms and what you can expect. So usually you just disconnect the hose, you get a 24mm socket on that engine, and you get it loose, guys. Perfect, right there, this is it. Now, if that thing gets stuck closed, what will happen, guys? If that valve is stuck closed, as a result, okay, you will have increased internal pressure inside the engine. As a result, guys, you will develop oil leaks. Okay, if you start developing all of a sudden random oil leaks where you have gaskets, O-rings or crankshaft seals, guys, this could be the reason why, because if it's stuck closed. Another reason, guys, when you increase the pressure inside your engine, you will push, guys, some oil through the cylinders. As a result, you will develop black smoke, guys, terrible black smoke out of the exhaust. And this is due to the fact, guys, that that gas have to go somewhere. It makes its way through the cylinders, the engine's not running good, and you will, okay, you will think that you need a new engine. I mean, that's how bad it gets, guys. We had another car that developed that, and it was smoking like, okay, like it was missing an oil ring. That's how bad it was. But it's not, guys, it was just a bad PCV valve. So this is some of the symptoms. And the last symptom, guys, for being stuck closed is remove your oil cap. If you guys have build up, okay, like whitish, yellowish build up, it means that the valve is not running correctly. This one, super clean, so we don't need to worry about that one. Check your manual, it will say that you need to replace it every probably 30 to 60,000 miles depending on the model. Now, what about if that thing, guys, fails stack open? Stack open means that the gas, the vapors will just go by without any obstruction, guys, to the intake manifold. As a result, guys, you will develop a vacuum leak. What is called a vacuum leak? Vacuum leak is, okay, you have the mass airflow sensor that detects how much air gets in the engine, and anything, guys, past that point should be really sealed and not get more air in the engine. But if you guys have a failing valve like that, the engine will get more air in the intake manifold that it doesn't know about. You'll be like pulling that hose out, guys, okay, and it will develop a vacuum leak. Okay, broken hose will develop a vacuum leak, bad PCV valve will develop a vacuum leak. That vacuum leak, guys, will create a rough idle, engine misfire, and hard time starting the engine. Another thing, guys, you need to look for if it fails open is oil in the PCV valve hose. If you have oil, presence of oil, it's a failing valve, guys. Usually it's supposed to stop the oil vapors so that way they don't go in the intake and they don't go in the combustion chamber so you don't pollute, guys. And if it fails stack open, you may, guys, have increased oil consumption, burning quite a bit of oil, so that could be another thing. So those are, guys, the symptoms. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.